All right, so the east to west Della Terra LE, they changed this so now it has a queen walk around bed, and man, it packs a punch. There is a lot in this little guy. Let's start up here. Comes with an electric tongue jack. We're gonna fill that propane tank. We're gonna put a battery in a box right there for you. You can see it has a 12-volt shut-off switch for the battery even, and swing it around this side. You got pass-through storage. I'll show you from the other side. It magnets up and it sticks right there. Then you got tinted windows, which is cool. Cable and satellite hookup, your freshwater fill right there. The back of the heater's right here, and then your power cord pulls out about 15-20 feet or so. All your dump station easy to get to, and your stabilizer jacks. Right there's the low point drain for winterizing. Comes with the spare tire, and then it is prepped for a ladder and a backup camera. If you buy the camera from us, we'll install it for free. The ladder's really slick. It's an adjustable aluminum ladder. It like telescopes up and it sits up. It goes up about 18 inches on top of above the roof there. So if you want to learn about that, you can come in and check it out. Black tank flush even right there. Hot and cold water shower on the back. And then the big deal is it's got an on-demand water heater, so no more 5-minute showers. You could stay in there all day if you wanted. And it has a quick connect right there. You can see the foam under there because it's heated and closed underbelly, and they put spray foam even under there. But that quick disconnect if you wanted to put a grill outside. It's got a little spot you can hook up your dog outside on a leash. If you want to put a TV outside, it's got hookups for that. And then here's that pass-through storage. It's all nicely finished in there. And then you have a little sensor light right there and your backup cranks. And then it has LED lights on the power awning. And we'll go on the inside and check out the inside. So there's that queen walk around bed. Right there you can see the weight and the length, and that's a bumper to hitch length. So nice queen. And that's it's nice to be able to walk around that bed, be able to make it nice and easy. It is prepped for Wi-Fi, hanging storage on both sides, and then you got a shelf above there, charging ports on each side, USB and USB-Cs. The floor is made with tongue and groove plywood. It's not particle board. It's got a 2-burner oven, or 2-burner stove. No oven, but they got a microwave up here. And your sink, lots of storage. Got storage down below there. Nice big 12-volt residential fridge. So you got huge. These cool faster. They're less expensive. And they're way bigger than a regular gas electric. So right here you got your table that'll make down into a bed. Lots of storage up there. Your air conditioner heated in the floor, and like it says right here, no heat vents in the floor. Heated and closed underbelly, roof mounted air. There's your thermostat. You can come back over here for a second. And there's your tank display. You push that and it tells you how full your tanks are, how full your battery is. And then your lights and your awning switch for the awning lights, and your power for the awning in and out. So check out the bathroom. It's a nice layout in the bathroom when you come in. So it's got a nice surround. And it's good and tall in here. Okay, I'm going to step in the shower. Even though it doesn't have a skylight there, it's over here. I'm 5'8". And I still have about 5 inches above my head. I don't know if you can see that, but there you go. Another sensor light right there. And then all this storage across the way. Foot flush toilet. Look how deep that goes to. It's nice deep storage, top and bottom. Yeah, I could put my arm in there. It's about 18-20 inches deep. And then the medicine cabinet right there. Like I say, you got a fan above there in the bathroom. the light switch. You don't have to reach up to turn the lights on and off. And it's cool that it has that motion sensor one, so when you go in there at night it just comes on automatically. Last thing is underneath the bed. You got storage under there. And then I'm not sure, let's check. Yep, you see the hole there, so you should be able to, a little bit of storage under here. And we'll check the other one. Yep, so you got storage under both of those. So there it is. I mean, great layout for a couple. And you get the queen walk around bed, which is the big deal about this guy. Spot right there for a TV. You can see you got your cable and satellite hookups, and you can see it's got the taller ceiling height. So if you're tall but you want a shorter camper, something for a couple, that's the way to go. They even give you owner's books. Thanks for watching. Come and get her.